Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rajiv, Senior Consultant Physician in Apollo Hospital, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad, practicing in internal medicine and critical care for the last 20 years. As all of you are now hearing lot about the coronavirus day in and day out on social media, newspapers and media channels, so it's time that we should know a little bit more about it. As we already heard about coronavirus infectivity and all over the prevalence in the whole world, I just will tell you what are the basic symptoms that you need to know. Any viral fever most of the times will present with fever, cough, cold. Similar, the coronavirus also may present with fever, cough, cold, with body pains, headache. But if you develop any breathlessness along with fever and cough, then probably you need to seek expert medical advice. Coronavirus presents with features of cough, cold, and also can cause what we call as pneumonia, in which you feel breathing difficulty. So if you have such symptoms, then you need to consult an expert opinion. It may be your physician or an infectious disease specialist. However, everyone who has a cough, cold need not panic. It is very important that we should not spread panic. We should be educated, we should be informed, but creation of panic should not be done. Every cough and cold is not coronavirus. If you have traveled recently from China in the last 14 days, especially from the Wuhan province and surroundings, or if you had any close contact with some person who is supposedly suspected to have coronavirus or proven to have coronavirus, then you remain in the high risk group. Otherwise, any fever, cough, cold will not be coronavirus. In case you have any cough, cold or even a coronavirus suspicion, the basic precautions of infection control remain the same. If you are coughing, you should cover your cough. It could be using a simple handkerchief, a tissue, or if nothing you have, you can use your elbow to cover your cough. You should if you are having a bad illness, fever, cough and cold, you should not stay very close to young children, other older people, so that you don't pass on your infection to the others. A close contact with the coronavirus would mean basically staying or working with a patient or a suspected case within 6 foot or 2 meters. At the present moment, human to human transmission is being documented but not yet fully proven. So whenever you have cough, cold, fever, do consult a local physician, take care of your cough, take care of precautions so it doesn't spread to others. The most important is using sanitary measures to prevent the cough from spreading to others. Also, if you are traveling, try to restrict your travel unless it is very important. Try to drink as much water as possible, keep yourself hydrated, and meet your doctor whenever you have some unusual symptoms. Do not panic, every flu is not coronavirus, but however, if any suspicion, we are there to help you. You can meet me or any other physician you know, and if required, we will also consult an infectious disease specialist. Thank you.